All right, we're gonna do another room stay, and this one's gonna be a little different. It's at the Hilton right next to Disney Springs. So Disney Springs is right over there. So right now it's very hard to get a Disney resort room. So we're gonna see what it's like staying near Disney Springs at a Hilton. What's crazy is we're actually staying here, it's the night before Halloween, and the lady checking in told us do not be alarmed because our room number, how can you not be alarmed at that? So, oh, that's kind of weird. Anyway, we're gonna go in. We have a Disney Springs room view. And other than that, we're gonna see what it's like. Let's go check it out. All right, so this is the parking area. And right now they're running a Disney annual pass holder rate where you get 20% off and you also get free parking and a couple coupons for a regular coffee at Starbucks. So that's pretty cool. And then this is what it looks like. There is a walkway over yonder that you can walk to Disney Springs. And they also, within this little, let's see here, booklet here, they give you some coupons to Disney Springs. So that's pretty cool. The first thing we're approaching here is called Benihana. I have never eaten there. You said you have?
Yeah, it's like a
hibachi thing?
Yeah, hibachi.
Huh. So they do have that. And then like I said earlier, I know there's a Starbucks in here as well. You can see right over here, there's that Benihana. On the sign it said steak, seafood, and sushi. And here's where you can pull up and get out to check in, which we did a little bit ago. And then I'll show you the kind of the main lobby. So then right through these doors, you can check in at the front desk here, which we already did. Look at that. Look at the lights in here. That's cool. And then we're gonna actually head over here to the right to the elevators and take it to the 6th floor, which is right over this way. Look at this Disney statue they've got. Cool. Another little pick opportunity right here. Then it looks like on the left, they've got some kind of lounge bar area that you can go to. We need to go to the elevators. The elevators are back here at the end of the hall. On the inside of the elevator, they've got elevator wrapped in this. It looks like we're gonna be back here in the corner. And out of all room numbers, we had to be, oh, look at that one. Nice. We had to be stuck at this one. All right, and here's the room tour. We are noticing there's some switches that aren't doing anything, but we've got the 2 queen beds. Good sized TV. Should be the refrigerator. Something in there, but it's not there anymore. Drawers, little desk, little seat. And then this is our view. We're supposed to have the, move this heavy thing out. Disney Springs. Oh yeah. If we zoom in, there's the hot air balloon. There's Rainforest Cafe. And then over this way is the pool. So there definitely is a good view. And at nighttime, I don't know if you can see fireworks or not. I know at the other Hilton down the street. Oh, that's Epcot over there.
Yeah.
So yeah, you could definitely see some fireworks from this room. All right, so here's the beds. Let's do a bed test. Let's see. Oh yeah, those are good. Those are good. We will walk this way and look at this area. So we've got just the standard sink. And then here's the bathroom, and the shower. So, looks like a standard Hilton room, but with a really good view. And then tonight we'll see how the lights look when it's dark out. On this little welcome thing they gave us with information, it says, the shuttle will provide daily transportation to all 4 Disney theme parks. You can get the schedule at the front desk. Also, the pool is open from 7 a.m. to 11 p.m. Here's everything they gave us. So here are the regular cup of Starbucks coffee. Here's their little like coupons. And then over here you can get a bottle of water. And then if we come down even further, you can actually do a DVD Now rental card, which there's the DVD player. And then right here, they have this coupon book with a lot of things at Disney Springs. On the back of this paper, it shows the dining they have here. So they've got Main Street Market, which is open till midnight, Covington Mill, John T's Lounge, Rum Largo, and room dining is not available at this time. So you've got these other options to choose from. Okay, now we're gonna head back downstairs. And on this elevator door, they've got Epcot. We're gonna head this way first to see if we can get a peek of the pool. It's actually like chilly day in Florida. We're gonna be in the 60s this evening, maybe even the 50s, so there's like no one swimming right now. But I'm just gonna try to do a peek through out here. They also have a restaurant out here, but it said it kind of varies on the time it's open, and I'm sure if not many people. Oh, it looks like it's this over here, and there's a couple people at it. But here's the pool area, and there's another one over there, and the workout room. So cool. All right, we're gonna head back in, and it looks like through these doors there's a big conference room as well. That will conclude the tour so far today, and I think as the sun goes down and it's dark out, we'll resume it with what Disney Springs looks like from our room at nighttime. This door on this elevator has a Magic Kingdom. It's dark in our room and dark outside. Look at the balloon there.
And go to the right.
And then to the right,
There's Spaceship Earth.
see Spaceship Earth. Now currently the parks are closed, and I think Disney Springs is about to close too. But as you can see, this is actually a really good room view. And the pool. So you actually get a pool view.
Nature.
Nature view. I'm sure you can kind of say like, oh, parking garage, so parking view. Disney Springs view.
Theme park.
And theme park view. So you for sure could have looked and saw those fireworks. Now, one thing that does kind of stink though is there is no balcony at this one, so you can't go outside. But you can sit in this chair and look, there's the little balloon right there, so you can sit and still enjoy the view. So I'm sitting in this bed right now, and what's cool is if fireworks were going off at Epcot, it'd be a great view. And then also a little this way, the balloon's there. It's a pretty good view. All right, it's the next morning. Here's what the view looks like of Disney Springs. And then over here, the pool. And then this door, Animal Kingdom. Not sure we're going to get anything from the little marketplace, but we may go by and at least look and see what it looks like. So then here's the Main Street Market. And as you can see, it's kind of like a little grab and go with Starbucks. So that's pretty cool. You get the 2 free regular coffee drinks and 2 waters. And right here, they show you the theme park bus schedule. So if you can see, there's people walking right down here. You can walk down there, and then there's like the little bridge that you can walk over to Disney Springs. Pretty easy walk. All right, that was our stay here at the Hilton by Disney Springs. I enjoyed it. I mean, if you don't want like theming and you just want a generic hotel but close to Disney, it was worth it. The view was nice too. So bed slept good, and you could get the free drinks if you wanted. Any complaints?
No, not really. It was just like a nice hotel to stay at.
Yeah, and if you're a Hilton member, you get points, and if you're an annual pass holder, you get a discount. So pretty cool. But all right, that does it for our stay here at the Hilton. Thanks for watching.